Hello everyone. Today we discuss some problems on real analysis, which is basically from TIFR year solution. So let us start this problem. First one, find the value of the series. Summation n equal to 1 to infinity n by 2 to the power n. Now write the summation in that format, that is half plus 2 by 2 square plus 3 by 2 cube up to infinity. Now taking common half outside, the inner part equal to your 1 minus half to the power minus 2. So the value will be 2 here. Since half less than 1, so you can write this inner sum, that is your 1 plus 2 into half plus 3 into half square and so on up to infinity as 1 minus half whole to the power minus 2. So the value will be 2. Next problem. State whether the statement is true or false. Suppose f is a continuously differentiable function on R such that f goes to 1 and f dash x goes to b as x goes to infinity. Then b equal to 1. So state whether it is true or false. So now if you consider the function fx equal to 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus x, look at the derivative. It is equal to your e to the power minus x by 1 plus e to the power minus x whole square. So when you consider x goes to infinity, your fx goes to 1, but your f dash x goes to 0 when x goes to infinity. So the statement here is false. Or you may be consider the sigmoid curve. Look at the curve here. This is your sigmoid curve, 1 by 1 plus e to the power minus x. So consider the slope here. Now look at the right hand side part. Here the slope decreases when x goes to infinity from 0. So that you can say from this graph also your f dash x goes to 0 but not goes to 1. So that's why the statement here is false. Next problem, find the correct option. The series summation n equal to 1 to infinity cos 3 to the power n into x by 2 to the power n. There are 4 options. So now we consider this summation for all x belongs to R. So just comparing this as summation n equal to 1 to infinity fn x equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity cos 3 to the power n into x by 2 to the power n, which is actually equal to your mod fn x equal to cos 3 to the power nx by 2 to the power n, which can be less equal to 1 by 2 to the power n. That holds for every n belongs to natural number. Now the sequence 1 by 2 to the power n is a sequence of positive real numbers, and if you consider the series summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 to the power n is convergent by geometric series concept. Here r is half, so that is strictly less than 1. So the series summation n equal to 1 to infinity 1 by 2 to the power n is convergent. Hence by Weierstrass M test for a series of functions, the series summation fn x is convergent for every x belongs to R. Hence your option D is the correct option. Thank you.